The Easepicks Hair Brush is marketed as a detangling brush that supposedly reduces breakage, minimizes pulling, and makes brushing painless. But the real question is, what's actually special about it? Now, to be fair, detangling brushes can genuinely be easier on hair than traditional paddle brushes. Flexible bristles are specifically designed to move with the hair, rather than fighting against knots. Similar detangling brushes have received positive feedback from users who struggle with tangles and breakage. What it does well: may reduce pulling and snagging. Flexible bristles can glide through knots more gently than many traditional brushes. Similar detangling designs are popular because they reduce the tugging sensation that often causes breakage. Can be more comfortable on the scalp. Many users prefer softer, flexible bristles because they feel less harsh during brushing. Where the hype falls apart, it's still just a hairbrush. This is the biggest issue. Many ads imply dramatic hair transformations, but brush cannot magically repair damaged hair or reverse hair loss. It won't make hair grow faster. While scalp massage may feel relaxing, there is little evidence that a detangling brush alone produces significant hair growth. Results depend heavily on your hair type. What works wonderfully for fine hair may be less impressive for very thick, coarse, or tightly coiled hair. So, what's so special about the Easepicks Hair Brush? Short answer: the flexible detangling design. That's the real selling point. If it works as advertised, it may reduce tugging, make brushing more comfortable, and help minimize breakage caused by aggressive brushing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.